The next section is a little bit more different, okay? We're going to solve tree equations by substituting another identity. This is a technique that's useful when you cannot factor a trig function out. Also, you see like sines and cosines in there, okay? If they're not multiplied, remember, you can't just set each term equal to 0. You have to have a factored term equal to 0, okay? So this is going to happen when I have like cosine squared and just a regular sine. Also when I see like cotangent and cosecant and things that are not in terms of the others, okay? I usually want to get them in terms of sine and cosine. Okay? A lot of times our goal is to look for a substitution. There's many substitutions we can use, okay? We should know that sine and cosecant are related, and secant and 1 over cosine, tangents also known as sine over cosine, cotangents cosine over sine. Okay, and then we also have got our wonderful reference tables, as you can see here, and you can see all the different formulas we see in there, especially the double angles and the half angles here are going to be used around here. Okay, the sum and difference not as much, but you never know. Okay, so be careful. We're going to use all these formulas. If I see like a double angle in there, I automatically want to get rid of it. That's another key one. Okay, the ones that aren't hidden on there that we sometimes are going to see that we should remember is that we have this wonderful identity, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1, okay, which can translate into sine squared theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta, and it can translate into cosine squared theta equals 1 minus sine squared theta. Now we do have it for the other ones with tangent, okay, but these are the ones that we're primarily going to use, so we got to make sure we can see that. Again, if something has a cosine in it, I want it in terms of one trig function if I can most of the time. Okay? Make sure after you do everything, okay, that you're gonna have to make sure you watch your quadrant. A big thing to realize: sine and cosine just themselves cannot change. If I have sine of x, I can't turn it into something else, most likely. Occasionally, if it's sine of 90 minus x, that's a whole other story. If it's just sine of x, we're not going to do much with it. Okay?